In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Malwarebytes. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading Malwarebytes executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Malwarebytes forum, and that's because here we can download the offline executable installation file with the link right here. I will click on it and it should start the download for me. And we're using the forum because if I go to the normal download page, we cannot find the offline installer here. It's even hard to find the normal installer. It's right here. If I click here, it starts the download. Then if I go to my downloads folder, we can see that this file is only a few megabytes in size, and this one is quite larger. And that's because this file is only downloading the installation files, and this has everything in it already. And I will be using the offline installer in this video, so I'll right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And I will be placing the executable in a network location that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer. Here I will enter my file server name, it's srv02. Here I have the software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Malwarebytes, and then I will go inside of it, and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select new package. I will name the package Malwarebytes. And then I will go to steps, click on install. Here we need to provide our executable installation file, so I'll click on the button right here. Then I will click here and enter my file server name once again, srv02, software share, Malwarebytes folder, and select the executable. Now we need to provide silent switches, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using in this video, so I will copy the values, and then I will go back to PDQ Deploy and insert the values here. And that's all that we need to do for this package. Now we can save it and close the window here. And now I will be deploying this package to a few of my clients, so I will click on the package here, then I will click deploy once. I will select my targets by clicking on Choose Targets, Active Directory, and Computers. I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button right here and the targets appeared in this window. Then I will click OK and deploy now. And now I need to wait a bit. And that deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. We have our desktop shortcut for Malwarebytes. We also have this message. I will double click on the desktop shortcut. Here I will click on continue with free version, get started, maybe later, and open Malwarebytes free. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And see you in the next one.